Hello, good people. This is Sherry, and I'm making a denim bracelet today. Do you ever have ideas that you think are going to be quick and easy? Well, that was my thought today. I said, I'm going to make this quick denim bracelet. I'm going to cut the seam of these denims, and I'm going to get my memory wire and just run the wire through the seam and be done. Well, let me tell you the story. I had this blue and white piece of fabric and I thought that would go good with denim. So I cut out a little flower from it and said I'll just glue this on my bracelet. So I get my bracelet sized memory wire and my jeans, and I cut my wire. I cut about three circles of the wire. I figured that would be enough. And I cut the seam, and I just thought I was halfway through by the time I finished cutting the seam. And I cut it all the way up. In fact, I didn't cut it off because I wasn't sure about how much I was going to need. It turns out that I needed, my bracelet ended up being 22 inches long, so I probably would cut about 25 inches of the seam. I take my memory wire and I make a loop on one end, and then I'm going to insert the other end into the end of my seam. Easy peasy, right? No problem. So I insert the wire and I go for about 3 inches or so, and then it stops. And I push, and I push, and I push, and it won't go any further. So I say, maybe I should make the opening bigger. So I get this stick and I push it through there, and the stick goes all the way through. So I figure if this big stick will go all the way through, then surely this tiny memory wire will go through. So I take my stick out and then I try my wire again. I get excited because it goes in a little further. It goes in a little further, but then it stops. It stops again. I'm getting a little frustrated now, and I'm one of those people. I hate to give up on something. It's really, really hard for me to give up on something. So I just keep fiddling with it and fiddling with it. And then I say, well, okay, this isn't going to work. So I pull the memory wire out and I grab my 12 gauge aluminum wire and I start to slide that in. And lo and behold, it's going in. It's not even hard. So I go ahead and I thread this whole piece in. Now, at this point, I don't really know how long I need to make the bracelet. So I put almost all of the wire in, and you don't see me do this, but I wrap it around my wrist to see how many times it'll wrap before I cut it. So I went ahead and cut the wire, not the memory wire. I cut the 12 gauge aluminum wire, and I make a little spiral on the end. I cut the other end of the seam, and I have some hot glue, and so I put hot glue in to close the other end of my seam. Now I just wrap it around my jar, and then after I wrap it, I glue my little flower and my other little denim pieces in the center, and voila, I'm done. So the lesson here is, even if it's not easy, don't give up. This is Sherry. I'm the owner and designer for Sherika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. We have an e-course that is dropping soon, where I take you from hobby to hustle if you want to learn how to make money with your creations. All right, good people, you know the drill. If you have not subscribed, I ask that you subscribe, you like, you share the video, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. All right, this is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.